Hi. I'm at 30, so. Hey. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. Okay,
Coming back to Woodland from San Francisco.
yeah, we have to take the most public canoes out on a boat because it's fun that way. I'm joined here with, my lovely assistant. Your name is Dark Strike, and every time it shows you, you're like, Dark.
That's my personality.
Thank you very much.
Sorry if you can't hear that. This boat's loud.
Yeah, like, really loud. And that's the thing, I reached my goal, 600 views. That was literally exactly my goal. So when I checked on my YouTube channel, 600 views. And yeah. I'd like to say thanks to all my friends, and goodness, I'm treating this like a million subs. Okay, well, anyways, thanks for watching, and see you later in the upcoming video. Say goodbye. Bye.